Hey guys, welcome back to SLT Learning, and in this today's video we're gonna see another Selenium most commonly asked questions. Okay, and what we're gonna cover today, I will say we're gonna cover about taking a screenshot. Okay, so this they might be ask you the syntax, they might be ask you the command, but it is very useful for you to know this particular questions answer in detail. Okay, because it's depend on the experience level they're gonna ask you. Okay, so how do you take a screenshot in Selenium WebDriver? Okay, so in Selenium WebDriver you can take a screenshot or capture the current state of the browser using the, and that will be helpful to do the debugging, reporting and verifying the visual correctness. Okay, and Selenium provide take screenshot interface to capture a screenshot. This could be a one line answer if they wants to go quick. So you can just say Selenium provide takes screenshot interface to capture the screenshot. That's it. Okay, and to capture the screenshot, what you need to do, you need to work with the files. You need to copy the file from one location to another location, and for that one what you require Apache Commons input output libraries. Okay, so you can import that particular libraries or dependencies when you are working with the file commands, and based on that you can write your code. Okay, now they will ask you what is the basic screenshot code will look like. So this is take screenshot interface. I'm going to take screenshot, then I will create a screenshot object, and over here I will just say take screenshot driver. So this is my syntax. Now I will just use file. So this is the source file. So how I need to capture the screenshot? So I will use screenshot dot get screenshot as output file dot file. So now over here I will get the file that I have captured. Okay, get a screenshot as. So this is another method that you can use from the take screenshot interface. Okay, so take screenshot is an interface and get screenshot as is a method that you can use. Okay, and once you will have that particular screenshot in this file output type dot file, then place that file into the specific folder. You see, file destination file will be new file screenshots. This is the folder name, and that page.png or jpeg, whatever the extension you want to give, you can give it. Then what you can do, you can simply just say is FileUtils.copy source file to destination. This command will create the one copy of this file over here. Okay, that screenshot file. So this is what you can use, and if they ask you to write a command, always write like this way. For this interface create an object, and for that object you get a screenshot, that is your source file. Then you need to provide the destination file where you need to place the screenshot, and then use FileUtils.copyFile from source to destination. Simple. Okay guys, now when you are working with a screenshot, right, you should always have some extension like what will be the file name should be. So this is the separate question they're gonna ask, right? So how you can differentiate the file name, they might be asking while taking a screenshot, how you can differentiate the file name. So you can simply say we can use the timestamp, right? We can take a new simple date timestamp where we can use our syntax like YYMMDD, yearly, monthly and then we can use HHMSSS, hourly, minutes and second dot format new date now, means current date and time format. It will take in hours, minutes and second format, and whatever the file name, you see destination file over here we just give page.png, but instead of page.png I will give screenshot underscore then double quotation. I will add a timestamp string. You see, string will do the concatenate of operation over here, and it will combine all these values. So screenshot underscore timestamp, and timestamp syntax will be taken from over here dot png, and this particular file it will get create and it will store in that particular screenshot folder. Okay, the other screenshot type you can also write down like this way: web element driver dot find element, file source will be element dot get screenshot, and file util copy file source and to the new file. This is the another syntax. This is the shortened version of this particular basic syntax. You can also write your code like this way, but in interview if they will ask you, this will be the easiest way to explain your code. Okay, take screenshot interface, always remember, and get screenshot method that you use for output type dot file. Okay, now before performing this operation you need to make sure couple of things, right? If you're providing any path like a screenshot I have provided over here, so you need to make sure your screenshot folder should be exist in your project folder, otherwise it will throw you some error. Okay, and it's always recommended in Selenium to use a screenshot in term of the failure. So when you write your try catch block, okay, and in a catch block when some exception is happening, that is the best practice to use the screenshot, the capture the screenshot method over there, okay. And this particular functionality, like a take a screenshot, will work on measure all the browsers like Chrome, Edge, then Firefox, then Safari, and all the browsers. This particular method and interface will work, so you don't need to worry, okay. So they will ask you this question in your interview, answer like that way, take a screenshot is the interface, and you can use this method, get a screenshot as. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. If you want to know more about this particular things, or if you can capture this screenshot while watching this video and keep in your phone, so it will be always handy for you, okay. You can understand the syntax very easily guys. Yeah, thank you for watching this video.